Welcome to What Is Now Newsroom. Tonight, the world watches with bated breath as two economic titans, the United States and China, stand at the precipice of a monumental agreement. After months, even years of escalating tensions, tariffs, and high-stakes negotiations, a framework for a groundbreaking trade deal has reportedly been reached. This isn't just about goods and services. It's about the future of global power, the stability of markets, and yes, even the fate of your favorite social media app, TikTok. Sources close to the ongoing negotiations confirm that a significant breakthrough occurred just hours ago. This framework, as it's being called, sets the stage for what could be the most impactful economic agreement of the decade. The timing couldn't be more critical. President Trump is currently on an extensive Asia tour with a highly anticipated meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping slated for later this week in South Korea. This deal is designed to clear the path for that meeting, turning what could have been a confrontational encounter into a celebratory signing ceremony. But let's talk about the headline grabber for millions of Americans, TikTok. For months, the popular short-form video app has been a political football caught in the crosshairs of national security concerns and economic pressure. The threat of a complete ban in the U.S. loomed large, pushing its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, to seek a sale of its American operations. Tonight, reports indicate that a finalized resolution for TikTok's U.S. operations is a key component of this new trade framework. While specific details of the sale or ownership structure are still emerging, this effectively ends the immediate threat to the app and offers a clearer path forward for its millions of U.S. users and creators. Beyond TikTok, the core of this agreement tackles the thorny issue of tariffs. For years, American consumers and businesses have felt the pinch of import duties, and Chinese manufacturers have faced unprecedented economic pressure. Crucially, this framework reportedly includes a pause on the threatened 100% tariffs that were scheduled to hit various Chinese goods. This move is seen as a major de-escalation, preventing further economic shockwaves and offering a sigh of relief to industries on both sides of the Pacific. What goods are affected? How long will this pause last? These are the crucial questions that will be answered in the coming days as the full text of the agreement emerges. One of the lesser discussed, yet profoundly strategic aspects of the U.S.-China trade war has been the control over rare earth minerals. These obscure elements are vital for everything from smartphones and electric vehicles to advanced defense systems. China currently dominates global production, giving it significant leverage. Early indications suggest that this new framework might include concessions or agreements regarding rare earth mineral supply chains. If confirmed, this would be a monumental geopolitical shift, reducing U.S. vulnerability and impacting global tech manufacturing in a fundamental way. It signifies a move beyond just simple trade balances, touching upon core national security and technological independence. Let's put this into perspective. This deal isn't an overnight success. It's the culmination of intense back-channel diplomacy, public posturing, and repeated cycles of escalation and de-escalation that have defined the relationship between Washington and Beijing over the past few years. From the initial imposition of tariffs to the dramatic executive orders targeting Chinese tech companies, both nations have played a high-stakes game of economic brinkmanship. The president's current Asia tour, with stops aimed at strengthening alliances, has served as the perfect backdrop for these final negotiations, adding pressure and urgency.